Hello everyone, and welcome back for today's weather video. On this update, I'm going to give you guys the latest information on a very significant storm system that will impact the country over the next few days, with the risk of flooding, severe weather, and wildfires. Let's begin by looking at the latest model. The storm system is already starting to form over the country on Thursday, April 28th, with some small concerns of severe weather and flooding in a few spots. The storm will really begin to intensify once we move into Friday, primarily in the evening to nighttime hours. By this point in time, a very dangerous severe weather event may be occurring across the plains. Then, the risk of severe weather will shift eastward into the day on Saturday. This storm system will continue to spin across the upper plains and Great Lakes region, producing strong winds and heavy rainfall, before gradually moving out by Monday of next week. The first day of severe weather will be on Thursday, April 28th. The risk will be pretty low overall, although a few isolated severe storms will be possible from the Mexican border up into Nebraska, then as far west as Utah. Damaging winds, large hail, and an isolated tornado is possible, especially in western Nebraska. Like we saw a moment ago, this storm will really get its act together once it reaches a favorable environment across the central portion of the country, which is why we have a concerning enhanced risk from a portion of Oklahoma into Nebraska. This severe weather risk will be particularly dangerous, because it will be occurring at night. Damaging wind gusts, large to very large hail, and strong tornadoes are possible. This storm will bring another day of severe weather on Saturday, April 30th, from southern Wisconsin into northeastern portions of Arkansas. Once again, damaging winds, large hail, and a couple tornadoes will very likely remain threats. Let's take some time to talk about the risk of flooding, starting with the risk for Thursday, April 28th. At least a small risk of flash flooding exists from southeast Nebraska into a very big portion of Missouri. The flooding risk will increase once we move into Friday, due to a strong area of low pressure that will deepen as it moves into the plains Friday into Friday night. Lastly, by Saturday, an occluded area of low pressure will continue to move slowly eastward on Saturday across the plains into the Mississippi Valley. Lingering moderate rainfall is likely across portions of the Dakotas, with as much as an additional 1 to 2 inches possible. Another large marginal risk area stretches from central Texas into the Indiana and Michigan border. This storm will be weakening as it moves to the east, so the ingredients for heavy rain will be declining, although some locally intense rain is possible within this area. Another thing I would like to talk about in regards to this storm is the wildfire danger. The risk of wildfires also will start increasing on Thursday, April 28th, mainly in that red area, from about Las Vegas, Nevada into Lubbock and Amarillo, Texas. A lower risk of wildfires is in place for a portion of the Northeast and the Southwest. The risk of fires will become extremely dangerous on Friday. A critical risk of fires will be in the red area, with extreme fire danger in that pink zone in southeast Colorado. Favorable fire weather will continue even by Saturday, across that pink shaded area. Then, that purple area represents the fire risk on Monday. And that concludes this video. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Please feel free to subscribe for more weather videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.